I can't believe I'm taking this by myself. It's not easy holding that camera, but this might be one of the last chances. Look at them little ears wiggle. Look at them little ears. I had no idea when he came along that when they nurse, now here's where he turns into a terror. When they nurse, that their little ears wiggle. Oh, he latched right back on. Oh, here's where he decides he wants to play with it. No, I guess we're still hungry. I'm going to say hello to the world. Say hello to the world. Hello, world. Oh, look. Look at them little ears. Oh, all right, break time.